Hi, this is basically a video to tell you how to install the Protobuf file, how to run a very simple file, how to compile it. So I'm going to start with installing it. Now installing Protobuf is very simple. I have already installed it on my system over here, but I'm just going to show you the steps to do it. Now just keep on typing these steps in your command prompt. This step will take a long time. This is to install all of the libraries that are there. There is an easier step if you want to make it for only Python or only CPP. You can change this step, like you can find it on the internet, but just to be on the safer side, I installed everything on my system. I will put these in the description below. Okay, so after that, you will see in your directory that you have this protobuf file and this installed. If you can see that, then you've done it right. So basically I'm going to make a new directory and show you how to write a protobuf file. So I'm using the Vim editor to open a file. In the Vim editor, I'm just going to write hello.proto. So you have to write it in the form of hello.proto. So that's going to open a proto file. Even if you're using gedit, the same thing applies. You just have to write a .proto so that it opens up as a protobuf file. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to write the simplest Vim protobuf program in C++. So I'm going to write the first line to be syntax is equal to proto 3 or 2. You can write either one, but I just prefer proto 3 because it has additional features, and I would suggest you to do the same. And then we're going to write the name of the package, which is it can be anything. I'm just going to write something random like candy. Then we're going to write message as a keyword, and the name would be person, like I'm going to store the information of some person. And then you write the fields that you want to include, like name is equal to 1. So this 1, 2, 3 is basically like serializing it. It is used in serialization. You don't need to worry about it right now. I'm gonna save this program. Okay, so as you can see, we have only one file called hello proto right now. After compiling this, we're supposed to have two more files. Okay, so to compile the program, we either have to use this or we can use this. So the difference between these two is that basically over here you have to specify the source directory in these locations and the destination directory. But usually we want to write everything in the directory that we're already in. So I like to use this command. So I'm just going to write this real quick here. Protoc cpp underscore out is equal to dot. So that's just specifying that this is the directory which you want to compile this in, and then we press enter. So now you can see that you have created two more files. This is the pb.cc and the pb.h file. So I'm going to put this in the description below. Okay, so now we're going to write the CPP program. So remember this file, hello.pb.h. So we're going to need to include that while we're going to write the C++ file. So I'm just going to say hi.cpp. So first we're going to write the include files in, and the second thing we're going to do is we're going to write the include file that we created. So hello.pb.h. After that, we're going to write the main normal program. So in our protobuf file, as you can see over here, our package name was candy, and the thing we want to include is person. So we're going to write candy : person, and we're going to create an object of person. So I'm just going to write p. If you want to set the values of these variables, name, ID, and email, then we're going to use the function set name. So it's going to be p.set name. I'm going to say Ruchi, and same thing with the other two fields. So that is basically how you set the fields. And if you want to use these fields somewhere else, so we're just going to write a normal cout statement. Name is, and then to access the name, we just write p.name. Same with the other two fields. So that's your CPP code, and we're going to save this. Okay, so to compile the C++ file and the protobuf file into one binary file, we're going to use this syntax. So it's going to be G++, since we're writing it in C++. G++-std is equal to C++ 17. You write the name of your C file. In this case, it will be hi.cpp. And the first protofile will, in our case, will be hello.pb.cc -o. You can write anything over here, and you are going to write this command. So I'm going to put this in the description too. So I'm going to execute this command. So when you write this command, I just want you guys to be careful about one thing. This symbol over here, this one is not an apostrophe. It's the symbol on the tilde key below escape. So I did that mistake, so just make sure you guys don't. And I'm gonna press enter. Okay, so here we have compiled the files together, and our name of the name of the binary file is abc. So I'm going to write dot slash abc, and there you have it. Name is equal to Ruchi, ID is equal to 24, and email is equal to rk@gmail.com. If you want to try anything else, you can please comment in the section below.